that is number one of bullshit right there. Doing this is not a shadow boxing. This is like a pure fuckery upon the mountains of fuckery. When you shadow box, you want to literally picture yourself fighting, right? So when you're in a fight, you're not going to be doing this. No, Ras, you're not going to do that. So treat a shadow boxing like you are actually fighting a real fight. Picture a fake opponent, you know? And what will you do? So everything is like... right? Treat it like you are actually fighting. Because this way, you get to mimic what it feels like to be in the ring and fighting. Because that is a real job. That is just going through the emotion. Don't go through the emotion, but go into the realness, right? Raw dogging, making it good. Just right? Because shadow boxing is one of the key elements to improving your abilities in the ring if you perform the shadow boxing correctly.